What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna be making Dalgona coffee, and I want you guys to make it along with me. Why? Because A, it's tasty, B, it's easy and quick to make, and C, it goes well along with your Netflix and chill sessions as well. So let's get started. So all you need to have to make a Dalgona coffee is 2 tablespoons of coffee. Any coffee is fine. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and some milk as well. So we'll start with putting out all these stuffs in a bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some hot water as well, and just mix it off. If you have a whisker, it would be quite easier for you. It will take some time for me right now. Color of the texture is changing, but और थोड़ा हिलाना पड़ेगा. You need some more time, और color थोड़ा light होगा. Until then, just keep going. Part 1, half the job is done. Now all you need is to pour some milk in the cup and put some ice cubes in it, and just top it up with this mixture in it. Sprinkle some coffee powder above it as well. So the coffee is finally ready, and do try it by yourself as well, and let me know in the comments below how was it, and also post the pictures of your amazing coffee on your Instagram and tag us so that I can post your pictures on my Instagram story as well. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then,